Lesson number 5, using parabolic stop and reversal to set your stops. J. Wells Wilder created parabolic SAR as an entry and exit indicator. However, it's been more commonly known and more widely used as a guide for setting stops. And MarketClub members can use the parabolic SAR to set their stops by using this study in the MarketClub charting applet. So first, go to a chart. Then click the Studies tab. The fourth study down is the parabolic SAR. When you activate this study, you'll be prompted to enter an acceleration factor and a maximum constant. The higher you set your acceleration factor, the more sensitive the indicator will be to price change and fluctuation. The lower you set your maximum constant, the further the trailing stop will be away from the price. MarketClub automatically sets the default setting to 0.02 for the acceleration factor and 0.2 for the maximum constant. These were the settings suggested by Wilder himself. However, you can reset the acceleration factor and the maximum constant to fit your own unique trading style. When I click OK, the parabolic SAR dots are placed to the charts, and I've already placed on my proprietary trade triangle algorithm on a weekly basis. The parabolic SAR has 3 main purposes. The first is to help the trader follow the trend. When the dots are located below the ticks, we're looking at an uptrend, and when the dots are placed above the ticks, we're looking at a downtrend. The second main purpose is the SAR dots help spot immediate reversals. We see the dots on the bottom of the ticks here, and then on the top of the ticks here, suggesting this was the point of the reversal. The third purpose is to give a mathematical basis for setting stop losses. These dots are the value for the individual stop loss placements themselves, and each value should be used until the next dot is issued. In order to see the exact value of the SAR dot, you can use this button right here. This is our displayed data. It will give you a pop-up box, and as you mouse along each individual weekly tick, at the bottom you will see the value of the SAR dot, and that is realistically where you should be placing your stops. Get this out of here. Now at the beginning of a move, the parabolic SAR will provide a greater gap between the price and the trailing stop, and as the move continues, the distance between the price and the trailing stop will shrink, thus protecting profits as the price moves in a favorable direction. Now there is one specification to using the parabolic SAR, and Wilder cited this himself, and that is you only need to be using the SAR on strong trending markets. MarketClub members are in luck because they have use of the chart analysis tool, and we can get to it by using the link right below the chart. And there we see that CAT, it's at a -100, suggesting this is a strong trending market and that we can trust the acceleration factor for the parabolic SAR to be correctly read and placed. So we'll just go back to our chart right here. And our weekly. And as you're sitting around next time and you're pondering where to place your stops, consider using the parabolic SAR. It's in the studies. It's great to use multiple technical indicators in conjunction with each other, in conjunction with the triangles, to help place those stop losses, determine entry and exit points, and get the most out of your trading.